Hello everyone, in this video we would like to share the work that we finished in Holden Commodore VE Series II. And this car is Holden Commodore VE Series II 2011 Ute and Thunder. Wow, very nice car. So we finished with the new 7-inch touchscreen, full package of the wireless Apple Carplay, USB Apple Carplay, wireless Android Auto and USB Android Auto, and Full HD anti-glare and super night vision reverse camera. So on the screen here you're seeing that the wireless Apple Carplay is running, and it's just as good as fast as usual wireless Apple Carplay system we fit in many other cars. Now focusing on the first part, which is the air conditioner control. It is touch. Okay, so it's all touch for the air conditioner control, and also the knob. Okay, so you have the knob control over here for left and right side, and outside temperature, and just so easy to touch control this thing. And it has the flushing button here. It has 2 USB ports. We use one of them for our new system, and at the same time we keep using the factory USB port and the factory aux port over here. Okay, so under the armrest the port still connect to our new system over here. So if we plug in the USB or aux here, it will come into our new system. And yep, that is the new one that we replaced and fit into the car. It fit perfectly into the car. It definitely took a good time to fit it in, several hours I would say, before we go to this good appearance thing. Everything stay firm and nice and neat, and it definitely looks good and works good. The steering wheel control, we have those buttons working well on the rotating button here, but as usual those 2 buttons don't work for the Series II. You should know that this one was installed differently into different Bluetooth module into the car. So now only those 2 sending the signal to the new system, which is the steering wheel up and down, or we can assign this one to phone and other phone if you want to do that, but we leave it as volume up and down. So yeah, that's the system over here, and very easy to touch. And now let's talk about the reverse camera. We fit it nicely right at the back. And you can see that it's here, right here, on the side here, and in the middle at the back end. So that one, to see the rear section very nice when you reverse, and when you pull the gear stick to the reverse, you quickly see all the detail behind, super clear, super detail. The same thing in the night and daytime. Okay, so that's all about the system. It works very well with the reverse camera and instantly moving. Okay, so everything back to the dashboard like factory fit, and that's the thing. And yeah, thanks again for watching. And just a small thing we want to talk about is that we are working on a developed version that we have the Headunit 7-inch custom build on the top here, with the factory air conditioner control panel still stay in place. So we are working on that. We cannot promise on this, but we definitely are working on that, you know, special project, and if it could be done, you would see another video about that one sooner or later in our channel. So thanks again for watching the video, and see you on the next one.